Hi friends, I'm Suni Moon and welcome to my sound studio. I am a sound healer and I have worked with sound as a healing modality for decades. I'm new in the Milwaukee area and I have set up a practice in my home, which I know is a little bit of a challenge for some people, but I thought perhaps it would help if I showed you around and let you know a little bit of what's here in case you might be interested. So the tools I work with include old Tibetan bronze bowls. I have a wall of gongs, which might appear to be quite loud, but they're used very gently. Some very deep tones, very soothing and healing. Lots of chimes over there. There's some more bowls. And this is the latest addition, is I have switched from using a massage table, a sound table, to using a zero gravity chair. And I actually have two of these that fit in here, so you could come with a friend. I also have quartz crystal bowls, and I'm not sure how well it shows up right now, but there's colored lights projected on the ceiling. When the ceiling lights are down, it gets quite pretty in here. So I think I mentioned I've worked with sound for a long time. I've also worked with a lot of forms of body work, but sound and energy healing, I'm a master energy healer. Meditation and breath work are my passions and what I find to be very powerful modalities to help you in your healing, but also in your getting balanced and centered and connecting to your higher self to help you just be all you can be in our changing world. There's more information on what I do on the website at sunimoon.net. Details on cost and booking links are there. You can also ask any questions you'd like, either through the website or here through social media. So I hope you'll consider sound as part of your self-care. And thanks for the time you put into watching all this. Take care. Bye-bye.